Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee if you're new here, and if you're not, welcome back. I shaved my head and went bleach blonde again, and I'm feeling like I'm living my best Backstreet Boy fantasy, and I'm totally here for it. So on today's look, I actually decided to use a really fun, dramatic smoky eye. I just kind of let the palette take me where it wanted to, and if you want to learn how to create this look, stay tuned and I'll be happy to show you how. Hello beautiful people, we're gonna jump right into the tutorial. So as always, my brows have been done off camera. I do have a tutorial on how I do them if you want to see that. And as always, I already have prepared my eyelid with our primer, which is our Smashbox 24-hour eyeshadow primer. And I'm feeling a little puffy, so I'm actually going to go in with the Garnier Skin Active Eye Sheet Mask Moisture Balm with orange juice and hyaluronic acid. This claims to have a skin cooling effect after 15 minutes, bringing it down to a -4. So we like the cold for the puffiness, to help with the dark circles, to help with the stimulation of blood flow, and just to get everything nice and prepped. So I'm gonna... Perfect. So this is going to do the job while we're doing our makeup, and then I can conveniently just peel this off and remove all of my fallout at the same time. So I think for today's look, we're going to start with like a neutral natural base, and I'm going to add a little pop of color. We'll see where the day takes me. For today's look, I'm going to be starting off with the Star Lit palette. This is from Makeup Forever. And I'm going to go in with this color here, Astral, and just a very generous amount. We're going to throw this in the crease. And just build it up as you see fit. Okay, so once you have your first transition color blended out, we're gonna go in with Comet, which is just right beside. It's a little bit deeper. And again, I'm just gonna throw this in the outer portion of our crease and start building up that smokiness. So next we're going in with Meteor on a clean fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna pull that color out. Really want to make it exaggerated and smoky. We have Milky Way, which is like a nice flesh tone color. And I'm gonna pop this sucker just right underneath my brow bone, melting all of the transition colors together and just making it nice and smooth. Taking another clean brush that's a little bit flatter, I'm gonna be using Halo, which is this beautiful, like metallic sky blue. I'm taking a very generous amount. I just sprayed it with some setting spray, and I'm going to black this all over the lid. Henny. Shimmer, shimmer. If you want to leave like the outer portion bare, that's totally fine. I'm going to add another deeper, darker color to really give it that contrast and smokiness. I just really want this bad boy to be concentrated here on the lid. So I was considering dark, and then I was considering Vault, or like maybe Eclipse. Honestly, all of them would look amazing. I think I'm gonna go in with Sign. It's beautiful purple. And I'm just going to really concentrate this on the outer portion of our eye. And then just blend it out. Alright friends, so we're going in with Light, and I'm just going to pop this right here on the inner corner and just ever so gently melt it into that blue. We're going to be putting something on top though, so don't worry about being too perfect. I just want to brighten up this corner a bit. And then I'm going in with my shade Mystere liquid eyeshadow from Stila. This is in Mystic. I believe these are discontinued, unfortunately. Maybe they're still available on the website. Oh, it's delicious. And I'm just gonna grab the clean side of my flat brush and I'm just going to pack it right here on the inner portion. Oh, that shift! Oh, that's just majestic. Okay, I think that looks really cool. I'm going to remove these bad boys. I'm gonna do my face makeup and I'm gonna come back to finish the look with you. Alrighty, so once you're done your face, it should look something like this, and I'm gonna jump right back into the eyes. I'm going in with my Makeup Forever Artist color pencil. This one is in 906 Endless Plum, and I'm gonna use this bad boy on my lower lash line. I'm just going to roughly sketch out a little bit. Doesn't have to be perfect. Y'all know the drill. We're gonna smudge this out. I'm just gonna leave the inner portion of my corner bare, just because we're gonna do something a little bit lighter and brighter to illuminate that area. And then going back in with that flat smudging brush that we used to apply Sign, which was that dark purple in the outer corner, I'm just gonna take a tiny little bit and I'm going to smudge it on top. So you get this nice blue purple smoky situation going on. Just make sure you set your concealer right, because purple can make the dark circles appear more pronounced. So I love playing with blues and purples, but because I have really bad dark circles, just make sure you take the time to color correct, to conceal, and to set the makeup. That way it's not going to be bleeding and smudging and like running all day. And again, just going in with that clean, fluffy blending brush, I'm just going to move this around just to get rid of any harsh lines, and I can really wing it out there as well. Of course, you don't have to if this is too dramatic and too intense or it doesn't work for your eye shape, but I've been really enjoying this like flick of the wrist. Okay, that's looking great. So now, we're not really surprised. We're going in with Vibes from the Stoned Vibes palette from Urban Decay. It's gonna take a good generous amount of my finger, and I'm going to pop this beside and slightly on top of that Stila. Do you see that magnificent shift? Oh my god, it's so nice. Just a little dibbity dabbity do right here. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh. Does anyone else get like hella excited by shimmers and duochromes, or is it just me? Okay, I like. And then I'm gonna go in with Opal Aura. It's a little bit more like blue silver toned. Very small. And I'm just going to lightly dab it on the lower portion of the inner corner. I don't want to steal the attention from that blue-purple situation we got going on the upper lid, but I just want to balance it out here on the lower lash line. Cool. Okay, so I'm gonna go do my lashes. May or may not do liner, we'll see. Lashes for sure, and then I'm gonna change, put in my jewelry, and I'm gonna come back to finish the look with lips and to show you what the whole completed situation is. Alrighty friends, so this is the look with the lashes on. I did do some liquid eyeliner from Stila, but I just did it on the actual lower lash line just to act as a guide for my lashes to be put on, but I did do a wing today. But if you feel like doing a wing, go for it. So I'm gonna be taking my Spice lip liner from MAC. I really love this color. And I'm just gonna overline my lips real quick. Once your lips are lined, I'm just gonna go in with some Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Lip Plumping Gloss. If you are not blessed with luscious plump lips, unfortunately, like I have not been, this is a really good product to get that boom ba 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 boom. And then for my lipstick, I'm going to be going with the Rouge Pure Couture Pure Color Satiny Radiance from Yves Saint Laurent. This is 155 in Nu Imprevu. I love the packaging, it's so chic. Beautiful lipstick. You can see the print of the Yves Saint Laurent. And it's a really nice nude. I'm just going to throw that on there. And that is it, my dudes. That is the final finished look. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial and that you picked up some new tips and techniques to use on your next application. As always, please let me know in the comment section what you thought, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!